Hello dear students, this is Anwar Srivastav and welcome back to advertising management class. In previous session, we have completed the topics like advertising introduction, why it is important to study advertising and the evolution of advertising in brief. With this, we have completed the characteristics of advertising and the difference between advertising and publicity. All the important topics we have covered, and now we are going to study very important topic, that is objective of advertising. What are the objectives of advertising? This can become in short answer type question, or it can become in merged with long answer type question. So the first is to inform. The first objective is to inform. Every advertiser is going to inform about the product and services or any idea to the customers. So on the behalf of advertising, customers are aware about the information that this is the new product available in the market. So a kind of information or message is conveyed to the customers by the advertising. Second objective of advertising is to persuade. That means how the customer is going to be persuaded or convinced. So the objective of advertising is to persuade the customer, convince the customer, so that customer is making sale or buying a product. Third objective is to make an immediate sale. If you remember that characteristics of advertising, we have covered a topic in that particular part, that was creativity. Creativity should be like creativity that sells. That means advertising should be that creative so that it is completing this particular objective, so that it is making an immediate sale, right? So the third objective is to make an immediate sale. The fourth objective of advertising is to build primary demand. To build that primary demand into the mind of the customer, so that customer is at least aware about the product and services, and then customer is making a primary demand, that initiating the demand of the service or the product. Fourth objective is done. Fifth objective is to introduce a price deal. See, if you remember, you can have so many examples like Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon. There are new price deals, and you are being informed by the advertisements, so that this is also the objective of advertising, to introduce the price deal to the customer. Next important objective is to build brand recognition or brand insistence into the mind of the customer. See, every product says something about the brand, right? So it is about the goodwill or the image of the brand, that after watching an advertisement, customer is making about the particular brand. Okay. And next objective is to help salesmen by building an awareness of a product among retailers. That means after watching the advertisement, it is helping the salesman to build awareness about the product to the retailer, and then retailer can do the same towards the customer, so that salesman is also knowing about the product. He is also aware about the product. Only then customer can be aware about the product. And the next one is to create a reputation for service, reliability, or research strength. Three words are there: to create reputation for service, reliability, or research strength. That means the objective of advertising is what? To create reputation for service, whatever the service the company is providing, to make that reliability into the mind of the customer after showing the advertisement. And the last one is research strength. That means it shows the research strength of the product into the mind of the customer, that after watching the advertisement, that this is the particular product in the market, and after watching that particular advertisement, only customer can go further for the research about the product. Last one is to increase market share. Although all the points are very important, this one is two very important point, that objective of advertising is to increase market share. Indirectly, if all the points are completed, this is gonna be completed itself. Why? Because these are very important topics or objectives behind any advertising, and only then this particular objective can be achieved if these are completed, right? The company's market share is obviously is going to be increased if these points are completed. Then objectives we have covered. Next very important topic is functions of advertising. What are the functions of advertising? So the first function is to distinguish product from competitors' product. That means advertising shows that this particular product is unique in its own way and how it is different from other products and services of competitors. So there are so many products of same category in the market and they compete with each other. Advertising performs the function of distinguishing advertisers' product from competitors, so that you are very much aware that these are the brands from these are the products from different brands, right? You recognize the brands after watching the advertisements. Next, to communicate product information. To communicate product information means it is communicating products information, product related information required to be communicated to the targeted customers, and advertisement performs this function, right? Where people are getting aware about the product, what are the features, what are the benefits, what is the price, they are knowing about the product only on behalf of the advertising. So this is the second function of advertising, to communicate product information. Next we have to urge product use. Actually, an advertising is a request. It is a request. It is an urge to use that product. If it is more creative, that is more creative request. So effective advertisement can create the urge within the audience for a product. Next is to expand product distribution. When the market demand of a particular product increases, the number of retailers and distributors involved in sale of that product also increases. Hence, product distribution get expanded. I hope you understood. The market demand is going to be increases, right? It is going to be increased, and the number of retailer and distribution, because if there is demand, there comes the supply. So both should be meet here. So to expand the product distribution, advertising is important. So this is the very important function. Fifth is to increase brand preference into the mind of the customer. There are various products of different brands that are available in the market. The brand which is effectively and frequently advertised is preferred most. You know that. To increase the brand preference, what does the marketers do? Actually, they are doing what? They are showing you various advertisement most frequently, so that you are having the image into your mind, and this is very repetitive in number, so you will be thinking this is a very good brand, only then it is being shown on the advertisement. So they create or increase the brand preference of their product and service. Next is to reduce overall sales cost. That means advertising increases the primary demand in the market. When demand is there and the product is available, automatically the overall cost will decrease. Simultaneously, the cost of sales like distribution cost, promotional cost also get decreased. Although this is the well-known fact that advertising is most expensive marketing tool, but the function of advertising is to reduce overall sale cost. When we talk about overall sale cost, so here comes the distribution cost, promotional cost, right? So this is decreases. Why? Because advertising increases the primary demand into the mind of the customer in the market, and that demand is there and the product is available. So that's why it is automatically going to decrease that particular cost, right? I hope you understand. Next is importance of advertising. We have completed in this particular session objectives of advertising: to inform, to persuade, to make an immediate sale, to build primary demand, to introduce price deal, to build brand recognition or brand image, to help salesmen by building an awareness of a product among retailers, to create reputation for service, reliability or research strength, and to increase market share. Next important topic we have covered: functions of advertising. What are the functions of advertising? To distinguish product from competitors' product, to communicate product information, and to request or urge product use, to expand product distribution, to increase brand preference, and to reduce overall sale cost. And now important topic is importance of advertising. So what is the importance of advertising? As I have told you in earlier session, now we are going to have depth of this particular topic: importance of advertising. Launch of a new product. So whenever there is a new launch of any product, There comes the advertising. Advertising plays a very significant role in the introduction of new product in the market. It stimulates the people to buy or know about a product, right? So people are getting aware about the product only when there is a new product in the market and there is advertising of that particular product, people are getting aware about the product. Next is increases markets. That means advertising helps in increasing the market. It helps the manufacturer to expand their markets. It opens the horizons for new markets for the product or service. Next, it is important for mass sales because advertising is for the masses of people. It is not for only one person. So it is non-personal communication. That's why it increases mass sales. Advertising facilitates mass production to goods that ultimately results in a raised volume of sales. Next, it keeps the competitive spirit alive. See, there are a lot of companies in the market, lot of products in the markets, and that's why there is competition in the market. So advertising helps in keeping the competition and the competitors at bay. There is one advertisement, all of a sudden there is another advertisement, right? So it keeps the competitive spirit alive. It keeps a regular check on the performance of a brand or a product, right? Next important importance we have, it creates goodwill. Yes, advertising creates a goodwill of a product into the mind of the customer. Advertising builds goodwill of a brand. Advertising is a crucial source through which the audience gets to know about a brand or product. If a company is spending on advertisement, it means they care to make their consumers aware. This increases the goodwill of a brand. Next important topic is creative minds. Yes, of course, it is for the creative minds and it is because of the creative minds. Advertising, from where it is coming? From the creative minds. How? Every place has a rich pool of strategic and creative minds, media and professionals. And every advertising organization possesses such talents. That's why you have a huge scope of in your career. While you are studying advertising, you can make a good career in this particular field too. Consumer awareness. Advertising is educational and dynamic in nature. It educates the customers about the new products and their diversifications, right? So what, consumers are getting aware about the product and services, so advertising is the path of education for them. They are getting aware about so many things only behalf of the advertising. So it is important for the consumers awareness. It is the direct link. For what? It is the direct link for manufacturer and the consumer. Whatever the manufacturer is planning, processing and designing and making, and consumer is ready to avail that, advertising is the link that is making both of them aware. But one more thing, never manufacturer is going to meet the consumer, right? But advertising is direct link that is linking the manufacturer with the consumer. So this rules out the possibility for a middleman to be involved in between. Next is creates employment. Advertising provides and creates more employment for many talented people in the industry. Why? Because I told you earlier, creative minds. So if you have a very creative mind, you can make your good career in this particular field, advertising. So it creates employment for those such talented people, right? So these were the importance of advertising. Now importance of advertising in business. It is again, although I have already covered these points, but again you can just have this brief of these importance. Crucial for launch of or announcement of any new product, right? Source of revenue for publisher, because for publisher advertising is a prime source of revenue of mass media like newspaper, TV channels, magazine, websites and so on. It promotes goods, services, ideas and events. Advertising is done to promote goods, services, ideas and events, right? It helps in increasing the sales. Advertising spark and interest of advertised products and services in the masses. Interest creates demand in the market. The growing demand soon results in higher sales.